Slovenia is a small country located in Central Europe that is known for its stunning natural beauty, including the Julian Alps and the emerald green waters of the Soka River. The country also has a rich culinary tradition that is influenced by its neighboring countries, including Italy, Austria, and Hungary. In this essay, we will explore the unique and flavorful dishes that make up Slovenia's food culture. Slovenian cuisine. Slovenian cuisine is characterized by its use of fresh and local ingredients, including freshwater fish, game, and wild herbs. The cuisine also features a range of stews, soups, and meat dishes that are hearty and filling. Some of the most popular dishes in Slovenian cuisine include Struklji. Struklji are a type of dumpling that is made from dough that is rolled out and filled with a variety of ingredients, such as cottage cheese, spinach, or meat. The dumplings are then boiled and served with sour cream or butter. Idrijski slikrafi. Idrijski slikrafi are a type of pasta that is stuffed with potatoes, bacon, and herbs. The pasta is then boiled and served with a sauce made from butter and breadcrumbs. This dish is considered a national treasure of Slovenia. Hota. Hota is a hearty soup that is made with beans, sauerkraut, potatoes, and various meats such as smoked sausage or pork ribs. The soup is typically served during the colder months and is a favorite among Slovenians. Prekmurska jabenica. Prekmurska jabenica is a traditional Slovenian dessert that is made from layers of filo pastry, poppy seeds, walnuts, cottage cheese, and apples. The dessert is typically served during special occasions such as weddings or holidays. Kranjska klobasa. Kranjska klobasa is a type of sausage that is made from pork and bacon and is flavored with garlic, salt, and pepper. The sausage is typically grilled or fried and is a popular snack food in Slovenia. Wine and beer. Slovenia is also known for its wine and beer production. The country has a long history of winemaking, with some of the oldest vineyards in Europe located in Slovenia. Some of the most popular wine regions in Slovenia include Goriška Brda and the Vipava Valley. Slovenia is also known for its craft beer scene, with numerous microbreweries located throughout the country. Some of the most popular breweries include Human Fish Brewery and Reservoir Dogs Brewery. Patika. Patika is a traditional Slovenian dessert that is similar to a nut roll or strudel. It is made with a sweet yeast dough that is rolled out and filled with a mixture of ground nuts, sugar, and other ingredients such as honey or raisins. The dough is then rolled up and baked until golden brown. Patika is typically served during special occasions such as Christmas or Easter. Kravski prasad. Kravski prasad is a type of prosciutto that is made in the Karst region of Slovenia.